New tonight, artificial intelligence will soon take on another role in Guilford County. You might associate AI with automated text messages or scammers that use it to make public figures look bad. Pretty soon, residents will see the good AI can do. Guilford Metro plans to use it for non-emergency calls. WFMY News 2's Nixon Norman learned how it will work.
That's right, Sydney. I'm told that Guilford County dispatchers are desperate for upgraded technology, and their hope is that artificial intelligence will take some of the workload off. When you need help, the first thing you do is call 911. After you've dialed, you expect to hear a person on the other line. But soon in Guilford County, if you call the non-emergency line, you'll hear a different kind of voice: artificial intelligence.
The vision is not ever for AI to answer the phone on an emergency call.
Hexagon will be supplying the artificial intelligence. Vice President Tammy Heaton says the software will only be used for non-emergency calls. It's something Guilford Metro 911's Executive Director Melanie Jones also wants to make clear.
911 calls will never be answered by AI. We will always have humans answering 911 calls.
It'll be at least a year and a half before these technologies are used in Guilford County. But both of these women say that the use of AI technology will help take a large workload off dispatchers. Jones says she visited a dispatch center in Colorado already using a similar technology.
Their non-emergency lines are now being answered at somewhere between 35 and 45% by AI. And I mean, to take that kind of workload off of our 911 dispatchers would be incredible.
Jones says if someone calls the non-emergency line to report a stolen bike, for example, AI can point you in the right direction on where to report it.
AI knows what to listen for, and they'll say, okay, would you like to report that? And then it'll refer them to a portal to report it.
You may be wondering, why the switch now? Jones says they're currently working with tech from the 1990s that needs to be updated.
It's too cumbersome. There's a lot of mouse clicks, a lot of typing that has to be done, and the new system will not have all of those tasks on our communicators.
A concern many may have about the new technology is it capable of taking a dispatcher's job? Heaton says that's not the case.
Hexagon's AI that is embedded into our technology will not replace a human dispatcher.
That non-emergency line we mentioned is 336-373-2222. Jones tells me that in every demo she's seen of this kind of technology, there's always an option to talk to a real-life dispatcher if need be.